Okay naman, okay naman. Next naman, kay Best Friend Jolly. Alright, yan naman ngayon yung mas mabilis. Ayan. Okay, kaya naman sabay-sabay po natin batiin ng isang masigla at masayang happy birthday ang ating baby celebrant in 3, 2, 1. Alright, kaya naman yes, so yun ang may progression ball. You're right now.
Ate, mag-i-cake smash na naman siya.
Alright, very good there. Ay! Okay, isa pa. Ma'am, dito kayo sa likod, ma'am.